Hi, today I just to show very basic animation when component loaded or when transition happened. To frame for transition effect and make very simple button to link this frame. Yep. Click on like this, transition this frame to this, and making some text to animate. When you click this button, and it may transition to this frame. And now we should make code to animate this text. Click this code pen and make a new file. First, you should make props for the text. Get my tab and make override function for the text animate. So this part make some animate tab properties, and this part pass the props using override function to this text. So you should add text 001 for this text, and second should make MyFrame override to animate this text or to animate this properties. This is the animation option, and animate property. I want to animate this one, and making scale multiple. Code before this return function. It runs automatically when the component is loaded. So I'm gonna hide this part and link my frame override to this whole frame. Called my frame. Yep. Sorry. You should add a frame to animate this one. So I delete code for this text and add code to this one. Like this. Refresh. Yep. Animated with this. And I erase my unused code and some animation, like scale down animation, and I can also add opacity. we can OpenCP to this text using these proofs. Same thing, but first time it's always hard to everybody. And limit this opacity to 1.99. It works perfectly. And it also works this when this transition happened. Yep, it works. And that's all. Bye bye.